Postgres isn't just a database, it's a platform. Extensions are what make it infinitely adaptable. Today, we are speedrunning through 5 extensions that solve real problems. Think of this as your Postgres extension shopping list. Postgres extension system is one of its greatest strengths. Extensions can add new data types, operators, index types, functions, and even entirely new storage units. Unlike plugins in other databases, Postgres extensions integrate deeply with the query planner and executor. The extensions we are covering today are battle tested, widely used, and solves problems you would otherwise need separate tools for. No single war story today. Instead, 5 micro stories, one per extension, showing the real problem, each one solved for a real team. Welcome back, guys. Let's start with pgcrypto. Let me create the extension. This extension solves a very real world problems. Users trying wrong spellings in search. Under the hood, it breaks text into small chunks called trigrams and compares similarity between the strings. Now I am creating a table called products. Populating this table with mobile names. Creating a gin index on top of the products. Now watch this. I searched for Samsung Galaxy, typo included, and Postgres still finds Samsung Galaxy S24. An e-commerce search that couldn't handle misspellings until pgtrgm was added. 5 minutes to implement. Supports tickets about search is broken, drop up to 60%. Next extension was pgcrypto. Creating the extension. Here I am hashing a password using pcrypt and then verifying it, all inside Postgres. Then you need to hash or verify at the database level, such as stored procedures that validate credentials without exposing plain text passwords to the application layer. Now, this is where things get really interesting. pgcron. This lets you schedule jobs inside PostgreSQL itself using cron syntax. Now I am creating the extension pgcron. Create a table called sessions. Inserting the values into the table. Now I am scheduling a job. Let's verify it. See, it's there. Performing it. No external cron needed. A table with fixed in cron jobs on a separate server. Half of them were just SQL statements. Moved them into pgcron, eliminated the cron server entirely. This is super powerful for performance tuning, HypoPG. Creating the extension HypoPG. Now I am creating the table called orders. Populating it with some data. The planner uses hypothetical index in the plan without actually creating it. Test whether an index would help before committing to the disk space and write overhead. Finally, PG start statements. Creating the extension. This is your performance analytics tool inside PostgreSQL. It tracks every query, how often it runs, how slow it is, total execution time. Pick one extension from this list that solves a problem you currently have. Install it this week. That's the beauty of Postgres. You can extend it to fit your problem instead of replacing it with a different tool.